Welcome to this video, guys. In this video, we're going to learn about app.js and server.js, how we'll create an app and we will serve that app. Okay. So here we are making a two separate files. So that we will follow the single responsibility principle. So we have to follow this principle, which is the industry standard for the clean architectures. Okay. So in app.js will take care of app level functionalities like adding the middlewares and registering the routes, doing some global error handling, these kind of things app.js will take care. And server.js will take care of running the application and making the database connections or any serverless operation like running the cron job, connecting to the third-party applications. Such kind of things will be taken care in the server.js. Okay, so let's go to the code. Okay, line by line. So we're using the Express. Okay, so I imported the Express framework and then we're creating the app from it. Okay, and then there is a syntax called app.use, which is used for taking using the middlewares. Here I'm giving the express.json, which is indicating, okay, parse the JSON which is coming from the user. Okay, user is sending from JSON to us, so we are parsing that one, so it will make it available to read using the request.body or request.query. So how we will going to read, we will see later classes. Okay, in next line, if you see, it's not that every time user will send the JSON. Sometimes he will send a form data. Okay, it doesn't mean that he have to send the JSON data, so he will send a form data as well. But as a server, we have to read either JSON or form data. So this is the syntax which you use to read, parse the form data. Okay, this is express.url encode extend is equal to true, so it will parse the form data. Finally, we are exporting app. Okay, so you can remember like this. Let's suppose say countries, if you see, let's suppose say in Dubai we don't get vegetables and meat. So what Dubai will do, it will import from other countries. Dubai have to import this one, so other country have to export that one, right? So in similar fashion, okay, in applications also, we can't write everything in a single file. Okay, so every file have its own responsibility or own set of functionalities. To use similar kind of functionalities, we will export that one from one file and we will import the same thing from the other file. Like countries will exchange the goods, in similar fashion we'll exchange the functionalities here. Okay, now come to the server.js. If you see this file, this line number 3, so we are importing here using the required syntax, of course. Okay, dot slash indicating in the same stage of files. Okay, same level of files, you can say. So in app we are importing this one and then we are using this one. If you see the HTTP, so I'm not giving any path here, which is indicating that it is when you install a Node.js, it will come with a certain basic packages like HTTP, file system, OS kind of things. So for that you don't need to give any path, it will directly pick from it. Okay, let's suppose you have installed your own packages, third-party packages. If we see, we have installed Express here. Okay, here also we're not given any path. Okay, but still we are able to use it. What it will do, it will go to the node modules here. Okay, if you see, we have installed the node modules here and we'll pick the package from here. If you see, Express is here. Okay, so this is how the export and import is working here. Okay, now come to the server.js. Okay, then we are making the configuration and connecting to the DB, and then we're starting the server. It is like, let's suppose you're preparing the recipe. Then what you will do, you will prepare all the ingredients first and then you start preparing the recipe, right? In similar fashion, uh, if you create in the server, then we're making the prerequisites, like we're making the app ready and we're making the database connection ready. Then only we'll go and serve the application in similar fashion of creating the recipe. Okay, now let's run the app. Okay, to run the app you have to be in the same level. You see here I'm at project parking lot system where my server.js is directly there. Okay, now I'm directly running node server.js. So okay, so my server is running. Okay, and we are listening on the port 5000 and MongoDB connection is successful. Okay, and next video I will tell you how we are connecting the MongoDB database. Okay, and how we will run in a better way using the scripts in package.json. Thank you for listening.